If you're seeing GoDaddy Error 2002, it usually means your website can't connect to the database properly. The good news is that this is often a simple fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot it inside your GoDaddy hosting account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step website fixes. Let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where all of your hosting and domain services are listed, so if your website is connected to GoDaddy Hosting, this is the place you need to be. Next, under Web Hosting, click Manage. This will open the hosting dashboard for the site that is showing the error. From here, you want to access the cPanel admin area. cPanel gives you the tools you need to manage files, databases, and backend settings for your website. Once you're in cPanel, open File Manager. Inside File Manager, go into the public_HTML folder. This is usually the main folder where your WordPress files are stored. Now look for the wp-config.php file. This file is extremely important because it contains the database connection details for your WordPress site. Open wp-config.php and find the db_host setting. This tells WordPress where to look for the database server. In most cases, for GoDaddy hosting, the correct value is localhost. If db_host is set incorrectly, WordPress may not be able to connect, which can trigger Error 2002. So carefully check that line and make sure it uses localhost if that is the correct setup for your hosting environment. If it already says localhost, then the issue may be elsewhere in your database settings, but this is still the first thing you should verify because it solves the problem in many cases. After that, go back to cPanel and open MySQL databases. Here, you need to confirm that your database actually exists. If the database is missing or was removed by mistake, your website will not be able to connect to it at all. So make sure the database is present and listed correctly. Then check the database user assignment. Your database user must be assigned to that database with the correct permissions. If the user is not linked properly, WordPress won't be able to authenticate and connect, even if the database itself exists. Review the user assignment carefully and make sure everything matches your site's setup. Once you've confirmed the wp-config.php settings, verified the database exists, and check that the user is assigned properly, restart the connection by refreshing your site. Go back to the front end of your website and reload the page to see if the error is gone. In many cases, the site should start loading normally again after these database checks. If it still doesn't work, double-check each step one more time. A small typo in DB host, a missing database, or an unassigned user can all cause GoDaddy Error 2002. The key is to work through the connection settings carefully and make sure everything lines up. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix GoDaddy Error 2002 by checking your hosting, your wp-config.php database host, and your MySQL database setup. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.